With a severe outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, most of the world today is shifting to the virtual plane. From businesses to concerts, almost everything is happening online. This adaptive trend has also led to the education sector going digital as well with the help of innovative e-teaching aids. Since the entire virtual teaching scenario is still very new to many and, hence can get intimidating, we have gone ahead and put together a list of products that will help you with online teaching during this global outbreak epidemic. These products will make it easy for you to take classes online, without having to worry about the technical aspects. Here is our list of the top-rated products for teachers.
1. Dry Erase Whiteboard. One of the first things that you would need while teaching online is a board to explain concepts, draw diagrams, or jot down important points that need to be remembered. A lightweight, sturdy build. The big dry erase whiteboard that's lightweight and portable would be a good choice. We have identified one such highly rated whiteboard for you, check link in the description below. Stream your online teaching sessions live or record them conveniently with this handy tripod that is compatible with most types of cameras, phones, and GoPro devices. Make the best quality videos that are steady and don't need a camera person, by just using a tripod. The tripod we recommend is the compact, easy to use, and features good build with a strong aluminum body and premium parts. It has multiple extension levels extending to 22 inches, 30 inches, 40 inches and 50 inches and a minimum height of 16 inches to give you a variety of shooting positions. One thing that is absolutely crucial to online teaching is the quality of the audio. Often phone mics don't pick up sound with the required clarity and desirable audibility, in turn bringing down the overall value of your lecture video. To prevent any such problems, we recommend the use of either a wireless collar mic or a shotgun microphone. A regular collar mic wouldn't be suitable for the purpose as you would have to stand a bit farther from the camera, for the board to be covered, or for you to appear on the video appropriately. Else you will end up having your face all over the screen just because you have to sit too close to the camera due to mic cable limitation. Neficar Wireless Collar Microphone. This Neficar wireless microphone is an incredible accessory that can connect to most phones or laptops, and records reasonably good quality audio for all such purposes. Pin the clip mic to your shirt and walk around freely while you are teaching, as this mic offers you a hands-free experience. The smart voice pickup of this collar mic picks up natural speech and processes it with minimal noise in the output. A shotgun microphone is an excellent choice for you. This recording microphone is designed with advanced technology supercardioid pickup that enables the mic to pick up sounds coming only from the front side while filtering out other unwanted noise, making it ideal for recording teaching videos. This shotgun studio mic with a 3.5mm jack is compatible with a wide variety of devices ranging from iPhones, Android phones, camcorder, cameras, tablets, to audio recorders. Simple to use, this microphone set comes with a furry dead cat windscreen, soft case, 3.5mm TRS output cable, for DSLR cameras, camcorders, recorders, 3.5mm TRS output cable, for smartphones, tablets, and MacBooks, and does not require any complex setup or installation, and is just plug and play. This is an ideal mic to help you record the best quality audio for your teaching sessions. Professional Video Camera Light. The last but very important aspect of teaching online is to be visible clearly with the best lighting, so that what you are teaching can be seen. Most indoor lighting is designed to scatter, providing more light all around and hence may be very poor in helping shoot a good teaching video. To help you get past this, we recommend the use of a video light that is designed to give extra bright light that will focus on the subject of the video. Shoot pre-recorded class videos or capture your online lessons with high-quality video in the comfort of your home by just adding this extra Digitech professional camera lights to your recording kit. Don't skip out on giving lessons during this outbreak and deliver classes to your students effortlessly with our top recommendations. We wish you all the very best.